Hello my friends, welcome once again. Have you ever seen one of those emails that claims you have won a prize or says your bank account's been temporarily suspended? Yeah, that's phishing. No, not like fishing with a rod and bait, but the cyber criminal version. And let me tell you, these guys are good. They can be super sneaky and their emails are getting harder to spot these days. But don't worry, we'll be able to spot a phishing attempt from a mile away once we are done here. So let's dive into what phishing really looks like and how to avoid getting caught in the net. So what does a phishing attack look like? Well, the classic one is usually starts with an email that looks almost like it's from a legit source. Maybe your bank, a popular online store, or even your workplace. But there are little details that give it away. Let me walk you through a typical phishing email. Hey, want to protect your data from cyber threats? My information security course is perfect for beginners and pros. Learn key skills and boost your security. Click the link or scan the QR code to enroll now. Let's say you get an email that looks like it's from your bank. The logo is there, it has the bank's name, and even the email address looks close to what you had expected. Like support@yourbank123.com. Looks legit, right? But hold up. Take a closer look at the email address. yourbank123.com. Not quite, right? A real bank wouldn't have a weird domain like that. Phishers love to use things like numbers or slightly misspelling in the email address to trick you. And they are hoping you don't notice because most of us check our emails in a hurry, right? They are counting on you clicking before you even think twice. Okay, so what are the big red flags you should look for? Here's a quick rundown of the classic phishing signs to watch out for. Suspicious email addresses. Always check where the email is coming from. If it looks even a little weird, maybe it's something like support@paypal/fag.com. Don't trust it. And don't just look at the name. Look at the full email address. Urgent or scary language. Phishing emails love to freak you out. Okay, so you will see stuff like your account has been compromised or action required right now. The idea is to get you to panic and click without thinking. Then look for bad grammar or typos. Okay, seriously, if a company sends you an email filled with spelling mistakes or awkward phrasing, it's probably not legit. Companies like Amazon or your bank aren't going to send out poorly written emails. If you see errors like your account is locked, red flag. Too good to be true offers. Have you ever gotten one of those emails that says, "Congratulations, you have won a free iPhone," but you never entered a contest, right? If something sounds way too good to be true, it usually is. Don't fall for it. Now, those are some of the classic signs. But phishing scams can get even sneakier. Sometimes they will use real company logos and professional looking layouts. That's why it's important to stay sharp. Alright, so how do you stay safe from phishing? Here's what you need to do. The first one is don't click on suspicious links. If an email looks even a little bit off, don't click any links. Seriously, just don't. Instead, go directly to the website yourself. For example, if you get an email saying there's a problem with your bank account, don't click the link in the email. Open your new tab, go to your bank's website and log in that way. Okay? Secondly, verify with source. If you get an email from your boss or bank and it's asking for your sensitive info, don't just respond right away. Take a minute and verify. Call the person or company directly using a phone number you trust, not one from the email. Thirdly, don't give out personal info via email. Legit companies will never ask you for sensitive info like your password or social security number over email. If an email asks for this, it's a scam. Lastly, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. it's better to be a little paranoid than to end up with your personal info in the wrong hands. Hey, want to protect your data from cyber threats? My information security course is perfect for beginners and pros. Learn key skills and boost your security. Click the link or scan the QR code to enroll now. So phishing is one of the most common ways hackers try to get at your info. But the good news? You are smarter than that. By staying alert and following these simple steps, you can keep your data safe. Remember, when in doubt, don't click. Alright? Next up, we are going to dive into social engineering. And this one's all about people trying to trick you directly. Let's go. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you.